He took fat from my arms right here. Underneath my arms, I have just 2 little incisions here, no scars. And he added them underneath my breast to give me an invisible lift. And then we went to the middle of my thighs here to add some butt. My tummy is not fully healed yet, but we took these out to give me some curves. You know, I'm just very happy. I mean, I'm really, really happy with the work, and I can't thank them enough here. Hi, my name is Star Marie Simmons, and I am from New York City, and I came here to New Delhi, India, to Divine Cosmetic Plastic Surgery. And I'm just going to tell you, I am blown away by my experience here, my results, and Dr. Amit and Dr. Ayushi here at Divine Cosmetics have truly changed my life. I mean, when I got here, I was very insecure, but I wanted to get into the beauty business, cosmetology. I am an ex-dancer, and I'm in my 40s right now. So I've been going through a lot of life stress, and my body really wasn't looking good to me in the mirror. And when I got here, I had explained to the doctor, you know, my wants and my needs, and he gave me a lot of advice on what he thought would suit my body profile. When I first reached out to Dr. Ayushi, which is Dr. Amit's personal, they work together, the partner. She asked me what I wanted. I said I wanted a bigger butt, and I wanted my waist a little bit smaller, and I wanted my breast lifted because my breast was like sagging. I had breast implants before, but they was kind of sagging, and they was tucked really far back in, and they really weren't as perky as they are now. And my butt it wasn't flat, but in age, your butt starts to drop, and I'll be 44 next month. So I was just kind of concerned with my derriere. Then after that, my smile was a little crooked because I had like a little slight dent on one side of my face, but I didn't have a dent on the other. So my smile was kind of crooked, and I had paid so much for dental work for me to have a straighter smile. That portion of my face was kind of messing up my smile. So Dr. Amit told me that he does dimple surgery, reconstruction, and of course, he gave me the 2 dimples, and now I just can't stop smiling. Sometimes I'm in the mirror like, you know, looking at myself. I think he did an amazing job. These were done about a week ago. So this is my dimples after a week ago. They will soften up over time, but I like the way they look now. But we are going to have another video to see the progress. But right now, this is a week. My breast implants, these are a week out of surgery. They're very high. I don't really even need a bra for them to stand this way. The reason why I have on a bra today is because I have bandages around my nipples where he did the nipple reconstruction, and I didn't want it to show through my shirt. And I don't know if you guys want me to stand up to show you my butt work. But here is the way the BBL turned out. So what he did was he took fat from my arms right here. Underneath my arms, I have just 2 little incisions here, no scars. And he added them underneath my breast to give me an invisible lift. And then we went to the middle of my thighs here to add some butt. My tummy is not fully healed yet, but we took these out to give me some curves. You know, I'm just very happy. I mean, I'm really, really happy with the work, and I can't thank them enough here. So one of the changes in my life that I've had now, it's only been a couple weeks out of surgery, so I'm still in India, of course. I'm waiting for Dr. Amit's going to do a Russian lip on me. And I'm also getting my eyes done. So I still have another month to go of more surgeries. But so far, I've developed more confidence internally. I love looking at myself in the mirror. I showed some of my family and friends my pictures, and I've gotten so many compliments that I've never gotten before. I'm also in cosmetology school to become a masseuse, a massage therapist. I'm doing esthetician, and I'll be doing hair, and I'll be doing lip fillers and Botox as well. So, I plan on opening up my own beauty business, and I guess not only will I be the president of my business, but I'll also be a client as well, because I've gone through what I'm going to have people that come to my facility go through. And of course, definitely, if anybody wants any extensive plastic surgery, I will be sending them here to Dr. Amit, because I've been to a lot of plastic surgeons in the past with friends. Because I'm an ex-dancer, ex-stripper myself, I've seen a lot of work out there from all over the world. And I'm going to tell you, by far, and I'm not going to say he is the best, but he is one of the best. The man is very, 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 very precise. And I feel like he's an artist and a magician when I see his work. He has his work planted all over the facility. There's nothing BS about him. There is no lies here about him. I'm proof in the pudding. He did a wonderful, wonderful job with my body. I did want a bigger butt, but like he said, a bigger butt would not fit my body proportion. So I'm also happy that Dr. Amit takes the initiative to take charge in his artistic freedom or artistry freedom, because again, he is the doctor here and he represents New Delhi, India, and he's not going to have sham jobs leave his clinic. So if you come here and you ask and request for something and you don't particularly get what you requested, it's not because he can't do it, it's because he just doesn't want to mess up your body. He really cares. I feel like Divine Cosmetics is a family orientated business. When I was looking for a hotel to stay in because of my recovery, I'm having so many things done. They got me a really, really wonderful price in a really good, safe area. As far as the cost, he's very reasonable. So, I just feel like I can really become that beauty expert that I've always wanted to be with this surgery, being that I feel perfect. He made me. Y'all say nobody's perfect, but I feel like Dr. Amit made me perfect.